Frank is a customer that has chosen to go off the grid. He had a bush block for a number of years, but he's chosen to build. His build took him an extended period of time working through all of the, the necessary paperwork to get out there and build. He approached us and he said, look, this is our first foray into living off the grid. What can you do for us that will make sure that we have as seamless a transition between moving from Ballarat out to where he stays now? So we started off by looking at what he potentially wanted to have in the house, all of that stuff, and then we looked at what possible solutions we could offer in terms of how he could successfully live off the grid without having to worry about it. We decided to go with an oversized array. We also decided to oversize his inverter, which offers him more capacity than what he had on the grid. Essentially what we want to do is try and make that transition as pain-free as possible. He has 13 kilowatts. He also has about 20 odd kilowatts worth of storage and a generator to go with it. And from what we can tell, we've had some initial teething troubles with him trying to get adjusted with living off the grid, how things work, making sure the generator stopped up with diesel. But once we've gotten past that, what he has found is that he hasn't had a lack of power or shortage thereof, and has therefore been extremely happy with what we've been able to offer him. We were able to offer that to him at a very competitive price in comparison with others. My understanding is that he did go out and do his homework and get about 3 or 4 different people to actually quote him. We were more expensive than some of the other companies, but he decided to go with us because he believed that A, we were genuine about what we were offering him, and B, the quality of product that we were offering him was at a fantastic price point.